Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'll show you something really cool. Okay. Boo.
Get over here!
You can see on the inside, it is perforated where you can breathe. Down here is the battery pack, takes 2 AA's. Boo.
Stop it.
Boo.
Get some help.
Usually ships within 5 to 7 days. Voice control half cover mask with LED, keeping you warm. It's cool with flashy lights at a party. It takes 2 AAA batteries. The light color is bright. It fits nice on your face. Has Velcro straps right here on the back.
P.O.P. Only die.
Yeah, it's a great gift. They come in all different kinds. They have the ones with the fangs. And
Are you kidding me?
yeah, it's definitely worth the money. It's something fun to buy for somebody, you know. And it does look pretty cool when it lights up. Yeah, I just wanted to pass this on. Just some more budget fun tech, you know, something you could use for a party or maybe a live stream. Maybe you're going to do something kind of crazy.
Good news, everyone.
Yeah, not bad at all. 19 bucks total. So under $20 for this, you can't beat that. Not at all. And they have tons and tons of different ones. It shows right here the battery pack. You turn the switch on right here. It has a voice control where you can turn it up to pick up louder noises or quieter noises. Everything fits very comfortable. Definitely a good buy.
Finish him.
Hey, thanks again for tuning in. We'll be back again soon with more great tech. Everybody have a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button down below.
Do it.
Would you wear something like this during a live stream?
Fatality.
Could you pull it off? Thanks again. We'll be back soon. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.